Okay, let's take a look at the function vertical line test. So let's read some English instructions from the notes, print off the notes, whatever. A relation is a function if you can only have one y value for every x value. Off to the right. A relation is not a function with more than one value for any x value. So let's take a look at some things that are functions, f, or not functions, not f. So functions, let's take a look at a parabola. And notice, if you were to take your pencil and run it vertically along the page, it only ever hits once. So it's a function. If you have a graph and you have a bunch of points, I don't care what the notes say, but you don't have any points on top of each other, it passes the vertical line test. Function. Check mark. Okay, not a function. So let's take a look at a sideways parabola, a square root function. Well, it immediately fails. Not a function. Well, check mark, not a function, or double whatever. I don't want to exit for double negative, whatever. Okay, so again, what if we have some points that are on top of each other? Well, it fails right away. Not a function. Haha. So you might get like a list of points. 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, and 4, 5. Excuse me. I'm going to shrink that up a tad to keep it left and right stuff. And we can clearly see that each x value only has a y value. So it's a function. But off to the right we have 0, 1 and 1, 2 and 1, 3 and some other points like 2, 4 and another one. And we can clearly see that we have an x value with two different y values. Not a function. Where this example has unique y values for each x value. So it's a function. Check mark. You can obviously see that in a table, or if you can see that in points, circle the two x values that are the same with different y values, not a function. So again, a relation is a function if you run your pencil vertically across the page and only cross the line once. A relation is a function if you run your pencil vertically along the page and it hits the line more than once, not a function. So, in the notes, I'm missing the word not. Oh my gosh, I'm putting the word not in. Write the word not. A relation. Relation is not a function. If put the word not in, I need to edit that. Excuse me. Hopefully by the time this is, well, you might watch this video in the future and I may have edited the work before I bother redoing the video. Either way, insert that. And there's a little Venn diagram at the bottom. All functions are relations, but not all relations are functions. Okay, so we took a look at whether or not something is a function or not a function.